Ice Storms by Berta reporting on JMAG News at 11 o'clock. As shown on the screen behind me, when freezing rain hits the cold ground, ice forms, creating dangerous, slippery roads and sidewalks. Back to you, Mike.
Tonight, dangerous snow, ice, and wind barreling across the country at this hour. More than 70 million in the path from Mississippi to Maine. Take a look at this. More than 40 vehicles involved in a massive pileup on Interstate 40 near Nashville. Temperatures in the Northeast are about to plunge more than 30 degrees. And here's ABC's Eva Pilgrim tonight on that massive chain reaction crash.
Welcome to the Today Show. Today there is going to be sleet and ice storms. The part of severe weather are slippery sidewalks and roads, freezing rain and unsafe driving conditions. So be careful and drive safely. Freezing rain occurs mostly in the Midwest and Northeast during the winter and has a 35% chance of taking place. We can predict it takes it by taking a ruler and measuring the thickness of the ice.
Sleet and ice storms can affect animals, people, and the environment in many ways. Animals lose food, shelter, and some even lose their lives. Others benefit from it. It affects people from not traveling because of how dangerous it is, and may freeze their cars and other important things. It affects the environment by losing crops, plants, and buildings.
Here are 13 reasons why you should be prepared for sleet and ice storms. Number 1, you should stay off the roads unless absolutely necessary. Number 2, you should keep flashlights and candles on hand in case the power turns off. Number 3, wear warm clothes to prevent hypothermia. Number 4, fully charge your phones, portable chargers, and other devices in case the power goes out. Number 5, make sure to have lots of non-perishable foods. Number 6, get bags of salt to remove ice. Number 7, keep all children and pets indoors at all times. Number 8, let your faucets drip to prevent the pipes from freezing. Number 9, make sure you have lots of books and reading material to throw in the fire in case you run out of wood. Number 10, have a battery-powered radio. Number 11, have lots of pillows and blankets on hand. Number 12, sleep on lower levels of your house. And finally, 13, get a generator.
Some of the United States' most famous sleet and ice storms are the following. In Atlanta, Georgia, wires, cars, and houses all froze. The same thing happened in Georgia almost a year later. The same thing also occurred in Arlington, Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Thank you.
Here are some stranger things about sleet and ice storms. They are also called the silver thaw. It can freeze cars and wires and also houses. And they can also last for days on end.
Thank you for watching, and remember to be safe and brush your teeth.